Do you want to join Royal Q? Make sure that you keep this video to the end. Many people are regretting joining Royal Q because they did not do any research about the business before joining. Now, if you're among those people who wish to join Royal Q, make sure that you watch it to the end. Now, I'm going to share with you the challenges of the business and all you need to know before joining, because I know Royal Q isn't for everyone. I've been telling you this in my previous videos that Royal Q isn't for everyone. That's why some people join and then dump their accounts while regretting. Now, as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, before I tell you the facts that no one tells you about Royal Q, I would like to let you know that Royal Q is legit, and I'm not stopping anyone from joining, but I'm sharing my experience with you people so that everyone gets to know what exactly the business is, how it works, and what are the challenges, so that no one regrets in the future. Now, let's get started. Now, the first thing you should know about Royal Q is that Royal Q doesn't work for everyone. Yes, Royal Q doesn't work for everyone, and I've been telling you this even in my previous videos about Royal Q. Why is it that Royal Q doesn't work for everyone? I'm pretty sure whoever is watching this video, you have someone who introduced Royal Q to yourself. Why are they persuading you to join Royal Q? Because they want you to earn together with them? Right. But still remember that those people who are marketing Royal Q, the moment they bring someone in the business and then they activate under their link, Royal Q gives them some commission. So most of them, that is the reason why they are inviting you, but they don't care whether you earn or not. That's why most of the people join Royal Q and then get disappointed, because what they were told about the business, it is not what it is exactly. And that is what I'm going to tell you today. You are going to know the facts about Royal Q so that you don't regret in the future. Now, most of you people were told that in Royal Q you don't need experience, that the moment you activate the robot, it is going to be trading for you daily and then you earn profits every day without you putting in your experience or your effort. Now, that is not right. In Royal Q you need experience. It's you to use the robot, not the robot to trade for you. You are going to use it to trade for you. You're going to give it instruction. Without experience, you can't use the robot and you can't earn profits from Royal Q without experience. They are telling you that because they want you to join and then they earn. Now, they have been telling you that you're going to be making daily profits in Royal Q. Really? Now, it is possible to make daily profits in Royal Q, but depending on the capital you have, experience, and how the market performs. There is no one controls the crypto market. The robot, you just use it to trade crypto. It doesn't control the market. So there is no guarantee that you're going to be earning daily profits in Royal Q. So make sure that you know that before joining Royal Q. Number 3, in Royal Q you need time. You need enough time to know how the robot works. You need enough time to learn how to analyze the market. You need enough time to know how the app works. So if someone tells you that you don't need time, you just have to activate and then you start earning, that's not right. The moment you join, they are going to be telling you that join the Zoom meetings, you have to train and then get experienced in the business so that you earn. So if you're someone who doesn't have time, make sure that you stay away from Royal Q. Number 4, make sure that you know how to market if you don't have much capital. Some people don't have good capital and they're telling you that you can start trading with $50. Yeah, you can start trading with $50, but they are not going to bring in something good if you don't know how to market. Most of the people who know how to market, they earn from Royal Q, because every person they bring in, they earn some commission. So if you don't have that good capital and you don't know how to market, make sure that you stay away from Royal Q, because it's not going to work for you. You're going to be disappointed like others. And lastly, make sure that you don't borrow money to activate or trade in Royal Q, and make sure that you don't use the money you will need in the nearby future. No one controls the crypto market. You may end up disappointed. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.